Hi and welcome back to Coder Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to add keywords to your YouTube channel. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your browser and now open your channel. Now you have to go to your YouTube studio. Just click on the right side and select YouTube studio. Now here you will see settings on the left side. Click on settings. Now select general, and here you will see the keywords option. You can add different keywords such as trending or viral videos or anything that will help you to grow your YouTube channel, and keywords will help to increase the searches on your channel. As you can see that the keywords have been updated. So that was the tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.